we are going to start the useful role of bacteria in case of agriculture, in which we have to study about nitrogen cycle, and in nitrogen cycle we have to study the role of nitrogen fixing bacteria, nitrifying bacteria and denitrifying bacteria. Then firstly we know that what is nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into nitrites or nitrates or ammonia, and from nitrates, ammonia and nitrites it reconvert into nitrogen. This is known as nitrogen cycle. That means nitrogen convert into ammonia, and this ammonia convert into nitrite, nitrate, and this nitrite or nitrate convert into nitrogen. This is known as nitrogen cycle. Firstly, in atmosphere, nitrogen is found in the form of N2. This N2 is directly taken by plants, or this nitrogen is come in soil by the process of lightning or any other electric discharge. Then these nitrates taken by plants, and these plants is eaten by us, that means animal eat this plant, and after death and decaying of plants and animal, this nitrogen is converted into ammonia or ammonium compound, ammonium salt, and this ammonium salt by the bacteria convert into nitrites, and from nitrites this convert into nitrates by nitrifying bacteria, and this nitrates is then finally convert into nitrogen. Then what we say here, that nitrogen is recycling, and this is known as nitrogen cycle. This nitrogen cycle is completed into three steps: nitrogen fixing, nitrification and denitrification. Firstly we say the nitrogen fixation. Then what is nitrogen fixation? The conversion of atmospheric nitrogen by bacteria into nitrogen compound is known as nitrogen fixation, and the bacteria which take part in nitrogen fixation is known as nitrifying bacteria or nitrogen fixing bacteria. The bacteria may be of two types. It may be free living or may be symbiotic. In free living there are two bacteria, Azotobacter and Clostridium, which can convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compound. And in symbiotic bacteria, what is symbiotic? Symbiotic is mutual relationship between two partners. Then there is the partner of bacteria and leguminous plants. The two partners is, one is bacteria and another is leguminous plant, and between these there is symbiotic relation in which both are beneficial to each other. Now, symbiotic, in which bacteria form root nodules in leguminous plant, and the bacteria which is used in nitrogen fixing is Rhizobium. That means Rhizobium is the symbiotic bacteria which found in leguminous plant, and this bacteria convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compound. Now, second step is nitrification. First one is nitrogen fixation, in which atmospheric nitrogen is converted to nitrogen compound. Second one is nitrification, in which the ammonia is also a nitrogen compound. Ammonia is oxidized by bacteria Nitrosomonas into nitrites, NO2. Here NH3 is oxidized into NO2 by the bacteria Nitrosomonas, and then this nitrites is converted into nitrates. That means the NO2 is converted into NO3 by the bacteria Nitrobacter. And this process, in which ammonia is converted into nitrites and nitrites is converted into nitrates, is known as nitrification, and the bacteria involved in the process of nitrification is known as nitrifying bacteria, as for example Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. Last step is denitrification. What is the process of denitrification? In which these nitrates or nitrites, which is in the form of salt, is converted into element nitrogen, that is N2, by the bacteria Pseudomonas, and Pseudomonas is free living bacteria. Then what we say here, that in nitrogen cycle some bacteria convert them into useful form, hence this help in the agriculture by increase the fertility of soil. Which one? This leguminous plant in which the rhizobium bacteria is present is increase the fertility of soil. Now, useful role of bacteria in industry. In industry, we have to study two topics: cutting of tea and tanning of leather. In cutting of tea, in cutting, bacteria eat away the unwanted compound, producing the characteristic flavor. That means कि इसमें क्या होगा, बैक्टीरिया जो है वो अनवांटेड, वैसे कंपाउंड जो हमें नहीं चाहिए उसको वहां से क्या कर देगा, अनवांटेड कंपाउंड को ईट कर लेगा वहां से, और फिर क्या होगा, जो टी है उसमें कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फ्लेवर देगा. तो ये है कटिंग ऑफ टी. नेक्स्ट वन इज टैनिंग ऑफ लेदर. टैनिंग हुआ क्या, लेदर से स्किन को रिमूव करना ही कहलाता है टैनिंग ऑफ लेदर. तो the raw leather is brittle with fatty compounds. Brittle, that means they are hard but can be break easily. Then the raw leather is hard and we have to make this leather soft. Then what we have to do, we have to take this leather in water, and this water contains some bacteria, and this bacteria eat the fatty compounds and make the skin soft. This process is known as tanning of leather, and for this process we have to maintain a specific humidity and temperature. This is all about the useful role of bacteria in industry.